How to turn off online or last seen status on WhatsApp. This tutorial shows you how to control who can see when you're active. First, open the WhatsApp application on your Android device. After that, tap on the three dots in the top right corner to open the menu. From there, tap on Settings from the drop-down options. At this point, tap on Privacy to access privacy settings. In the next step, tap on Last Seen and Online at the top of the privacy menu. Following this, you'll see two sections, Last Seen and Online. Once done, under Last Seen, tap on it to view privacy options. From here, you can choose from Everyone, My Contacts Except, or Nobody. At this stage, select Nobody if you want to completely hide your last seen status. After this, scroll down to the Online section below. Once completed, tap on Online and choose between Everyone or Same as Last Seen. Finally, select Same as Last Seen to keep both settings consistent, or Everyone if you want online status visible. Keep in mind that if you hide your last seen, you also won't be able to see others' last seen status. And that's it. If this privacy guide helped you control your WhatsApp visibility, give it a like, subscribe for more WhatsApp tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.